I'm going to be microneedling my face today. Got this Dr. Pen microneedling pen from AliExpress. Yes, I know it's not the original one, but I don't care. So it came with a lot of needles. Look at the amount of needles I got in here. So I'm gonna be trying it out on myself, and I have this lidocaine numbing cream right here. I heard this one is very safe for the face, so I got this. This is mixed in Centella cleansing water, so we're gonna be using that to wipe down the makeup. So I'll use this alcohol to wipe down, oh, my face. Oh, the brush to clean it with alcohol. Now my face is dry. I'm just going to apply the numbing cream. This numbing cream is going to be on for, like, let's say 1 hour, because I really I don't want to feel a thing. So I'll make sure that the numbing cream is on for that long. I need to apply this, guys. I had to apply the numbing cream on off camera, and now, guys, I think it's already working. Anyways, I don't have cling wrap, so I'm going to see you guys in an hour. Okay, bye. So guys, I'm literally back. It's almost 40 minutes. So I'm going to be doing it section by section. I'm going to clean the needle with alcohol. So I'll put some alcohol, rubbing alcohol in here. I have this cotton wool right here that I soaked in water. So I'm just going to use that to... Oh my god, I can't feel anything. Oh my god. I have it in this dropper. So I'm going to be using that serum. I'm starting with 0.25. I want to increase it because I can't feel anything. I'm using 0.5. 0.5. You know what? I think I should do. No, I think I should do 0.1. Yes, 0.1 is perfect. So I'm gonna go in now. So the following day when I woke up, my face was swollen. You can see it in the one day after picture. And the second day, of course, the peeling started. Look at the third day, it's still peeling, but at this time it was already like halfway done peeling, right? And my skin was looking good. Look at what my skin is looking like on the fourth day. I can tell you for a fact that microneedling is safe for you if you do it very well and very clean at home. This is the cream that I use. I didn't even use sunscreen for the first 3 days because my skin reacts to sunscreen sometimes. So I just used the topic cream, Sika Plus, and my skin was great. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.